Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Huawei MatePad 10.4 from 2022, and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So we will begin with the customization. So let's begin with opening the settings, and in this left section we have to scroll down in order to find the display and brightness. Now let's take a look at the view mode, and as you can see on the second position we've got the eye comfort, which is the option we're looking for, of course. So let's tap on it, and here you can first of all decide if you want to schedule this option or enable the eye comfort all day, which basically means that you will have to turn it on and off manually every time you want to. And here you can schedule it and just tap on the switcher, and as you can see we'll be able to freely pick the start and end time. So let me pick the start time for example, it can be, I don't know, 8 o'clock. Tap on OK till the 8 o'clock for the next day. Tap on OK, and of course nothing happened. It is because we are not between the start and end time. But let me turn it off and let me enable it all day. And as you can see, after tapping on this option, or if we will be between the start and end time, you will see that the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber, and it is in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So I highly recommend to use this option if you're using your device at nighttime. So here we can customize it. We've got the filter level, so we can change the intensity of the feature. So we go into the left, we can make it cooler, and by going to the right we can make it much warmer. It's maybe not orangish, but it's really yellow. So it's of course up to you which option you'd like to use, which option is most comfortable for you. I will leave it like this. So basically this is the whole customization of this feature, and in order to have much faster access to it, all you have to do is to simply unroll the top bar, and I highly recommend to unroll it from the right side, because if you will do it from the left side, you will open the, let's say, notifications. If you will open them, no worries, just swipe to the left to the control panel. So in the second section, let's say, we have to unroll it fully. And as you can see right here, we've got the icon for the eye comfort, which is right now turned on. If you'd like to turn it off, just tap on it, and as you can see, the screen turns back to its normal state. Of course, you can turn it on whenever you want to, just by tapping on this icon again. So actually that's all. This is how to enable the eye comfort mode in your Huawei MatePad 10.4. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.